Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Workshop for All. In my previous class, I dealt with conjunction and that too particularly coordinate conjunction. So, just I am going to revise a little bit and after that I shall switch over to subordinate conjunction. Coordinate conjunction joins words, phrases, clauses or sentences of equal ranks. That means both the clauses, if there are two, and if there are more than two, then all the clauses must be of equal ranks. That is, they must be independent. But now, today I am going to deal with subordinate clause. Subordinate clause, that means subordinate conjunction. That means this type of conjunction joins words, phrases, clauses or sentences of unequal ranks. For example, he will come, one is there, it becomes independent. He will come is independent. If we invite him, it becomes dependent. Simply if I say, if we invite him, that means our ear is towards the speaker, what else he is saying. Similarly, so this is dependent clause. So these two clauses, one is independent, another one is dependent. These two clauses of unequal ranks are joined with the help of subordinate conjunctions. Now, division of subordinate conjunctions. The subordinate conjunctions may be classified on the basis of their meaning as follows: subordinate conjunction of time, subordinate conjunction of place, subordinate conjunction of manner, subordinate conjunction of comparison, subordinate conjunction of cause, subordinate conjunction of result, subordinate conjunction of purpose, subordinate conjunction of condition, and the last one is subordinate conjunction of contrast. Taking one by one. Subordinate conjunction of time. This conjunction expresses time. For example, since, before, till, at once, while, until, when, whenever, etc. All these conjunctions, they show time. So they are subordinate conjunction of time. In sentence, if we take the example, make hay while the sun shines. Make hay while the sun shines. That means this is conjunction of time. Next, subordinate conjunction of place. It expresses place. For example, where, wherever, whence, etc. The conjunction that expresses place is called subordinate conjunction of place. I am citing an example with a sentence. Tell me where you will meet. Tell me where you will meet. This is subordinate conjunction of place. Next is subordinate conjunction of manner. This conjunction expresses manner, how the work is done, or how it happens, as far as, according as, etc. are the examples. Through sentence, it is true as far as I know. Men will reap as they sow. Men will reap as they sow. These are the examples. Next is comparison. Subordinate conjunction of comparison expresses a comparison. For example, Mohan is stronger than Sohan. So, then and as are the other examples. Next is cause. Subordinate conjunction of cause. It expresses a cause or a reason. For example, because, since, as, for, that, etc. For example, he was sad because he had failed. As. Because. Sita screamed for she had been injured. For. So all these are comparison of cause. Result. Subordinate conjunction of result expresses a result or an effect. For example, so that, such that, etc. Through a sentence. He is so tired that he cannot walk. So that. Next is subordinate conjunction of purpose. This conjunction expresses a purpose, that, in order that, lest are the examples. For example, he ran fast that he might not miss the train. He ran fast that he might not miss the train. Next is subordinate conjunction of condition. This subordinate conjunction expresses a condition. For example, he will definitely come if you ask him, if you invite him or ask him, whatever it is. She will help you provided you ask her. The other main conjunctions are if, unless, whether, provided, etc. The last one is subordinate conjunction of contrast. This subordinate conjunction expresses a contrast. For example, though, however, although, these are the other examples. With the help of sentence, we can say, I can trust you though you deceive me. This one. Now, at the beginning I told that there are two types of conjunctions, mainly two types of conjunctions, coordinate conjunction and subordinate conjunction. Now, a little bit I am going to give you some hints regarding another type of conjunctions, that is correlative conjunction. This one I shall be dealing in my next class, but a little bit hint I am giving here. What is correlative conjunction? That means conjunctions that are used in pairs. Neither nor, either or, as well as, so, dash, dash, that. These are all coordinative conjunctions. So, when we go through it, we shall find it that this type of conjunction is included in these two conjunctions itself. That means the correlative conjunction is a part of coordinate or subordinate conjunction. Thank you.